This video is showing the difference between two grinders that I own. The Draper is the 05097. It's 200mm wheels and 550 watts. You can purchase this at the moment for £130 on Amazon. And then next to it we have my original grinder, which is the Scheppach, and this is the SM150LB. It's 400 watts with 150mm wheels, and this is £73 on Toolstation at the moment. This is just to show the difference, really, in my opinion, of the quality and what you get for the extra twice the money. So if we start with the Draper first, as the rundown time is longer on this one, it comes with a nice little tool holder in the bottom. Comes with two blades on it, one coarse one and a finer one, and it also comes with a dressing tool up at the top that you can put onto here and redress the wheels, and that just sits at the top. And it comes with a light which is connected to the mains. So if I start this one up, it has that lovely sound that reminds me of school in metalwork. When it starts up, the light automatically turns on, and it's on a flexible and twistable top. Other than that, there's not really a great deal you can say about a grinder other than it works. But then if we let the rundown speed happen now, this one is now running down, and the sheer size of it, it takes forever to stop, which is fantastic. But they run really smoothly. If we go over to the Scheppach, which was my original one, this comes with LED lights which are battery powered, so you've got to remember to turn them off, otherwise you run out of battery. Adjustable visors, and if we start this one up, it comes up to speed a lot quicker. I've put a brass wheel on this side and a normal grinding wheel on this side. Now the rundown time on the Scheppach is near enough instant, but you can see it wobbling quite heavily on there. Whereas the Draper is still actually running down. Now the Scheppach, I actually had to change the brass wheel because the first time I used it, all the little brass bits started flying off everywhere, so it was a very cheap wire. And also I had to change the grinding wheel as well, because that just basically disintegrated as I was using it very quickly. Whereas the replacement I put on it, I've put a lot coarser one on it, and it doesn't wear away at all. And it's only a faithful one, so it's not a posh one, but it works perfectly. So I use this for cleaning my tools and for my axes and tools that I'm not overly fussed about. And then this one I use for basically finer work,